I have this message from the County Assembly of Nyamira on the approval of a motion on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County. Honorable Senators, I wish to report to the Senate that I have, pursuant to Standing Order 48.3, received a message from the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira regarding a resolution of the County Assembly of Nyamira for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, pursuant to Article 181, 1A, B, and C of the Constitution, as read together with the Section 33 of the County Governments Act and the Standing Order 62 of the County Assembly of Nyamira. The message, which was conveyed to the Speaker of the Senate by the letter reference PK/CN/1/2025, dated Tuesday, 25th November 2025, signed by the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira and received in my office on Thursday, 27th November 2025, listed the following grounds of impeachment against the Governor. 1. Gross violation of the Constitution and other laws. Allegation 1. Engagement, endorsement, and support of unlawful, illegal, and unconstitutional bunge mashinani. The particulars of this allegation are that the Governor engaged in various acts of gross violation of Articles 110, 73, and 176 of the Constitution, the County Governments Act, and the principles of separation of powers by 1. Formally engaging, endorsing, and supporting an unlawful forum